right. Well, there we go. The new ignition, about a half tank of fuel, and that was an hour and a half running for the HM1 here from Retrol. So the MUSA Retrol HM1. I'll have to look at those yellow units. Like I said, I've got two right now that I think have gone bad from the engine wars. And then this is the black unit that came with the HM1 that I just hadn't put in because the wire was too short, and the Engine unit had a longer ignition wire. But yeah, I'm very excited that's working again. I'll have to find a softer spring again. The one went flying, and I don't know if I have any more of the spare spring that came with this engine, but I also, yeah, don't know if I'll be able to get, I'll find something in my spring pile and yeah, this could be a little bit longer. Maybe I can stretch that and make it run a little slower, but for now I'm just excited we have spark again after all the spark issues we had.